In this video I'm going to show you how to remove a green screen in Clipchamp. So first of all you need to go to Clipchamp and you need to import your media. And I've imported a file with a green screen, the MP4. And now I drag it in my project. And if I play it, you will see that the MP4 is on top of the rest of the project. So if I play it, you will see this. Well, that's not the effect that I want. So what you need to do to remove the green screen is you select the MP4 or your green screen part, and then you go to Effects over here. You select Effects, and then you will see green screen. You select that one, and now you will see that the green screen has been added. So if I play it, you will see that it's how I want it. If you select the file, you can also change the effect. So if I move it to the right, you will see like a box. So it's too far to the right. I can put it a bit on the left. So just play a bit with this till your green screen is how you want it. You can also go to fade and then the fade in, fade out. But my MP4 already has a fade in and a fade out, so I don't need to use that. But just so you know that it's also possible. And that's how you can remove a green screen in Clipchamp. Please give a like if this video was helpful for you, and I see you in the next video.